Did you know you can now use the scientific calculator without rotating your phone with Android 16 and One UI 8.0? Samsung has made the scientific mode available in portrait view, so you can make advanced calculation even while holding your phone upright. Let's see how it works. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap calculator. While holding your phone in portrait mode, look just above the keypad. You will see the scientific mode icon. Tap the icon to show or hide the scientific calculator. Now you can perform trigonometric, logarithmic, and other advanced operations without rotating to landscape mode. It's a small but super handy change, especially if you prefer keeping your phone in portrait mode while calculating. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.